question is complaint antonyms. Your options are A. Grievance, B. Protest, C. Praise, D. Objection. Your correct answer is option C. Praise. She gave praise instead of complaining. Your second question is complicated antonyms. Your options are A. Complex, B. Difficult, C. Simple, D. Confusing. Your correct answer is option C. Simple. The problem was simple and easy to solve. Your third question is complete antonyms. Your options are A. Obey, B. Follow, C. Resist, D. Agree. Your correct answer is option C. Resist. He refused to follow the rules. Your fourth question is compose antonyms. Your options are A. Create, B. Arrange, C. Destroy, D. Write. Your correct answer is option C. Destroy. He destroyed the paper instead of writing on it. Your fifth question is comprehend antonyms. Your options are A. Understand, B. Grasp, C. Ignore, D. Know. Your correct answer is option C. Ignore. He ignored the instructions and did not understand. Your sixth question is compunction antonyms. Your options are A. Remorse, B. Guilt, C. Regret, D. Indifference. Your correct answer is option D. Indifference. He showed no regret and acted with indifference. Your seventh question is concealed antonyms. Your options are A. Hidden, B. Covered, C. Exposed, D. Secret. Your correct answer is option C. Exposed. The truth was exposed to everyone. Your eighth question is concede antonyms. Your options are A. Admit, B. Accept, C. Deny, D. Agree. Your correct answer is option C. Deny. He denied the mistake formally. Your ninth question is concession antonyms. Your options are A. Agreement, B. Compromise, C. Refusal, D. Acceptance. Your correct answer is option C. Refusal. He gave a clear refusal to the offers. Your 10th question is conclude antonyms. Your options are A. Finish, B. End, C. Begin, D. Close. Your correct answer is option C. Begin. The event will begin at 10 a.m. Your 11th question is concocted antonyms. Your options are A. Invented, B. Fabricated, C. Genuine, D. Made up. Your correct answer is option C. Genuine. The story was genuine and true. Your 12th question is concurrence antonyms. Your options are A. Agreement, C. Approval, D. Disagreement, D. Consent. Your correct answer is option C. Disagreement. There was disagreement among the team members. Your 13th question is condemn antonyms. Your options are A. Criticize, B. Blame, C. Praise, D. Accuse. Your correct answer is option C. Praise. The teacher praised the student for good work. Your 14th question is condescending antonyms. Your options are A. Arrogant, B. Patronizing, C. Respectful, D. Superior. Your correct answer is option C, respectful. He spoke in a respectful manner, your manner to everyone. Your 15th question is condensation antonyms. Your options are A. Arrogance, B. Superiority, C. Humility, D. Pride. Your correct answer is option C, humility. She showed humility despite his success. Your 16th question is contain antonyms. Your options are A. Approve, B. Forgive, C. Ignore, D. Condemn. Your correct answer is option D, condemn. He condemned the bad behavior. Your 17th question is confederated antonyms. Your options are A. United, B. Allied, C. Separated, D. Joined. Your correct answer is option C, separated. The group was separated into smaller parts. Your 18th question is confess antonyms. Your options are A. Admit, B. Reveal, C. Deny, D. Accept. Your correct answer is option C, deny. He denied the truth in front of everyone. Your 19th question is confidential antonyms. Your options are A. Secret, B. Private, C. Open, D. Hidden. Your correct answer is option C, open. The information was open to everyone. Your 20th question is confiscated antonyms. Your options are A. Seized, B. Taken, C. Returned, D. Captured. Your correct answer is option C, returned. The police returned the stolen items. Your 21st question is conflagration antonyms. Your options are A. Fire, B. Blaze, C. Informer, D. Calm. The correct answer is option D, calm. Your 22nd question is conflict antonyms. Your options are A. Fight, B. Clash, C. Peace, D. War. Your correct answer is option C, peace. They live together in peace. Your 23rd question is confront antonyms. Your options are A. Face, B. Challenge, C. Avoid, D. Oppose. Your correct answer is option C, avoid. He chose to avoid the problem. Your 24th question is confusion antonyms. Your options are A. Disorder, B. Chaos, C. Clarity, D. Mesh. Your correct answer is option C, clarity. The teacher explained everything with clarity. Your 25th question is congregation antonyms. Your options are A. Gathering, B. Assembly, C. Crowd, D. Dispersal. Your correct answer is option D, dispersal. The crowd slowly moved away after the event. Your 26th question is congruent antonyms. Your options are A. Similar, B. Equal, C. Inconsistent, D. Identical. Your correct answer is option C, inconsistent. Their answers were inconsistent with each other. Your 27th question is congruous antonyms. Your options are A. Suitable, B. Appropriate, C. Inappropriate, D. Proper. Your correct answer is option C. Inappropriate. His behavior was inappropriate for the situation. Your 28th question is conjure antonyms. Your options are A. Summon, B. Create, C. Destroy, D. Produce. Your correct answer is option C. Destroy. He destroyed the object instead of creating it. Your 29th question is conjure antonyms. Your options are A. Magician, B. Sorcerer, C. Creator, D. Destroyer. Your correct answer is option D. Destroyer. He acted like a destroyer, not a creator. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for daily English learning videos.